Okay, I got it. It's in there pretty tight now. So what I had to do was I had to widen this guy out like that, and I should widen it a little bit more because the acid actually ate away. Let me point at it. It ate away part of this guy. I don't know how long it went. Let me see if I can. Yeah, there you go. I don't know how long it went, but it ate away at it, and so I put it in there. Let's see. And right there should work. Okay. All right. So let me. I do need to clean the tube in here. There is some nasty stuff in there. Let me clean that, and I'll be back. Hopefully with a working light. Here it is. One of the things that happened, and I didn't realize, and I don't even know where that part would be. It may be in the trash can, but there's a negative or this guy right here. That's the positive side. Oh, and there's a negative side to this that's missing, and I can show you here. Let me just check it out. So it's working. Pretty incredible. So let me go ahead and just undo this, and I'll show you what's missing. And I don't know if you can just order that part or whatever, and if I can just order this guy, that little spring, or that guy. I'll have to look online. But let me get this off of here. Okay. And then I got to pull the light off. The light up here. Then I got to pull this guy out. I don't know their names. I probably. And it's that guy right there that's missing from this guy. Is it possible it's the bottom of the trash can? Because I was messing around with it here, then I'd take it out to the trash can and I'd bang it and stuff. And when this came loose, to be very honest with you, I don't know if I noticed that or not. But it works. And so I just got this off of another Maglite that we have. Put it in there, and everything seems to be working great. So I'll put this back into the other light. That way I know that one's working, and then I'll look online and see if I can order just this part, and possibly order just the little spring, and I'll have saved. And I know what most of y'all thinking, hey, come on, man, these things are only like 29 bucks, or I don't know, maybe $15, who knows. Well, it was worth the challenge, and I have another one. So let me go get the other one real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the cup that I have the lime juice in, and here's the other black one that I'm working on. And so and sure enough, look, let me see if I can grab this. There's that little piece, and it looks like it's off at an angle. So I don't know, when I was working on the blue one and this thing started to get loose, it's possible as I'm like halfway in the garage and walking to the trash can, which is just outside the garage. Could be on the floor somewhere, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to do a deep dive and trying to find it, but anyway, there's another one, and hopefully I'll have some more dimensions and stuff as to where you want to drill and stuff to, just to see if you want to fix it. But that's lime juice in there, and you can see how it gets real nasty. It eats away at the acid and all that, and neutralizes it. Alrighty, see y'all later. Okay, I'm laughing. All right, so on the previous video, I had showed that this guy came out. I don't know the technical name of it, and it was missing the negative side. And what happened, you know, I had drilled all these holes in here trying to save it. This is just because I'm bored, I guess. As a buddy of mine, Cliff, tells me, have you ever watched Sling Blade? I'm like, oh yeah, I kind of remember it. You remember what they asked Carl Childress? Hey Carl, what do you do all day? Stare at the floor and whatnot? Yeah, this is the whatnot. Staring at the floor and then whatnot. Anyway, trying to say this. So I go through the whole motions. I'm drilling all these holes. There's a bunch of shavings coming out here. They're all aluminum. There are some metal parts. The spring is metal and stuff like that. The battery casings are metal. And I end up losing, and it's, I know it's hard, you know what, let me zoom in a little bit. Let's see if this will work. All right, so there's a metal, God, let me get my pointer here. Ooh, where'd it go? Part right there. Well, it has to have a negative part coming out here. Well, as I was working on this thing got loose and went down to here, and I would go to the, let me go back. Okay. So as I was working on this and drilled these holes up here and managed to get the end of the battery that was stuck over here off of here, this piece moved down. Well, once it moved down, it lost contact with this guy. All right, now you're going to say, how the heck did you find that? Well, very carefully. So I would mess with this here with the drills and all that. I'd go to the trash can. I'd bang on the side, get all the stuff that's inside would come out, all the shavings and all that, and then I'd come back over here, put it in here, drill some more holes, you know, and I repeated that. God, I repeated that I don't know how many times. Well, when I lost it, I'm like, man, it has to be here somewhere. Well, let me just show you where it went to and what I used. Let me see if I can get the camera off here without messing anything up. So I figured, man, it's magnetic, so I'm going to use my long magnetic thingamajig here in case you drop a screw. And there are all the shavings. And so I just started doing this number. And then bringing it up to the palm of my hand. And let me see if I can zoom into it. I'm not sure why it's not focusing. Come on, focus. Why doesn't it want to focus? Yeah, that's really bizarre. I'm not sure why it didn't want to focus. I don't think I took it out of. Anyway, and so then I'd put that in the palm of my hand and I'd sift through it. And I ended up finding it. So that's how I found it in all that mess right there. Crazy, huh? So, can you repair? Let me put this back. I know it's crazy. You know, can you repair these guys that, you know, when they go bad and stuff? Yeah, well, I've kind of just proved that. It's going to be very holy. Again, on the next video, on the black one, I'll have better measurements as to where to drill these holes, because I did end up drilling into a little cap. So now all I need is the little spring that's back here, and I don't know if they sell that spring separately, because the acid ate away to like there's 2 rounds of ring, and then the spring starts, and it ate those 2 away. But the light's working, man. I'll put it back together here, and I'll show you guys in a bit. Okay, bye.